What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at the 5 best solar-powered security cameras on the market for this year. We are going to show you our 5 selections, and we'll discuss whether they are worth purchasing or not. For additional details and the latest pricing on the mentioned products, visit the links in the description below. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Reolink Argus 3 Pro. The Reolink Argus 3 Pro offers an excellent blend of affordability and outdoor wireless security features. With impressive video quality and a range of customization options, it excels in enhancing camera performance. A notable advantage is the option to purchase the Argus 3 Pro bundled with a solar panel, significantly reducing the cost of the panel. Reolink's solar panel is a standout, delivering a robust 3.2 watts power, surpassing the 2.9 watt average of other panels. Moreover, the generous 13-foot power cord provides flexibility in positioning the panels and cameras, optimizing solar efficiency and camera coverage. While the camera's battery life may be limited when recording frequently, it performs well in standby mode, outlasting competitors like Wyze and Arlo. Additionally, Reolink offers local video storage via microSD card, providing a cost-effective alternative to cloud storage. Their paid plans start at $5 per month for up to 5 cameras, offering better value compared to rivals like Wyze and Arlo. However, Reolink has its drawbacks, such as a non-removable built-in battery that may affect long-term usage. The camera's narrow field of view and absence of motion zones can limit its recording capabilities. Despite these limitations, the Reolink Argus 3 Pro remains a compelling choice for those seeking budget-friendly yet efficient outdoor security solutions. Number 2. EufyCam 3. The EufyCam 3 stands out in the realm of solar-powered security cameras for its innovative integrated solar panels, simplifying installation. These small yet efficient panels effectively replenish the camera's battery, offering a maintenance-free experience. However, optimal placement is crucial, as the top-mounted panels require unobstructed sunlight. Compatibility with the EufyCam solar panel, featuring a 13-foot power cable, offers flexibility in positioning. Notably, the EufyCam 3 delivers exceptional 4K video quality, providing clear and detailed footage. Its local storage options are impressive, with the base station offering 16 GB of built-in storage, expandable up to a massive 16 TB via external drives, ensuring ample storage capacity. One drawback is the non-removable battery, which may gradually diminish in capacity over time, necessitating occasional recharging. The camera system's pricing, with a minimum purchase requirement of 2 cameras, may not suit those on a tight budget, averaging around $275 per camera. Despite this, the EufyCam 3 is a formidable choice, especially considering its integrated solar panels and robust local storage options, making it an appealing option for those seeking reliable home security solutions. Number 3. Arlo Pro 3 Floodlight. The Arlo Pro 3 Floodlight camera represents one of the diverse options within Arlo's extensive camera lineup. While most Arlo security cameras are compatible with Arlo solar panels, we've chosen the Arlo Pro 3 Floodlight due to its unique combination of floodlight capabilities and solar power. Floodlight cameras like the Arlo Pro 3 offer superior color night vision compared to standard security cameras, but the powerful lighting can quickly drain the camera's battery. Fortunately, adding an Arlo solar panel charger, available separately, significantly reduces the need for frequent recharging, making it a valuable addition. The Arlo solar panel charger is designed with a magnetic power cable for easy connection to the camera, although its 8-foot cord is shorter than some competitors, limiting installation flexibility. Arlo stands out by offering cameras with removable batteries, eliminating the need to remove the entire camera for recharging. One downside is Arlo's local storage options, which require purchasing a base station in addition to the camera and storage device. Arlo promotes cloud storage plans as an alternative, with an affordable monthly fee of approximately $10 for recording videos from unlimited cameras. However, the ongoing costs may deter potential buyers from opting for Arlo cameras. Number 4. Ring StickUp Cam Solar. The Ring StickUp Cam Solar exemplifies Ring's commitment to solar-powered security cameras. While opting for the solar bundle is a cost-effective choice, What sets Ring apart is its extensive range of solar panel options designed for various Ring smart home cameras and doorbells. Ring offers a remarkable selection of 8 different solar panel accessories, each catering to specific camera and doorbell models. For users of the StickUp Cam Solar and Spotlight Cam, Ring provides 4 different panel sizes, ensuring compatibility with a variety of devices. Among these options, the Super Solar Panel stands out by delivering an impressive 5 watts of power under direct sunlight. This is twice as powerful as the panel included with the StickUp Cam Solar and surpasses the 3.2-watt Reolink panel. However, the increased power comes at a cost, with the Super Solar Panel priced at $100. Another noteworthy feature is Ring's commitment to sustainability through the use of removable batteries. When the camera's included lithium-ion battery eventually wears out, users can simply replace the battery rather than replace the entire camera, making for a more eco-friendly and cost-effective solution. Number 5. Wyze Battery Cam Pro. The Wyze Battery Cam Pro Indoor/Outdoor is a budget-friendly choice that surpasses our previous pick, Zoom 'em all, thanks to Wyze's robust support resources and improved cloud storage options. However, its relatively short battery life places it slightly behind other options on our list. One standout feature of the Wyze Battery Cam Pro is its integrated spotlight and siren, providing enhanced security by illuminating dark areas and deterring potential intruders with a loud siren. Wyze offers an enticing cloud storage setup, including an optional free cloud storage plan that allows users to pay what they want. For those seeking additional features, the paid Cam Plus plan is the most affordable option among security cameras, priced at just $2 per month. Notably, the Wyze Cam Outdoor boasts the smallest battery capacity compared to our other picks. Our testing found that users can expect to recharge the batteries at least once or twice a month. To address this limitation, the Wyze Solar Panel, priced at around $28, is a highly recommended add-on to help mitigate the camera's relatively short battery life. It's worth mentioning that the Wyze Battery Cam Pro offers several improvements over its predecessor, the Wyze Cam Outdoor V2, including cloud storage options, enhanced video quality, and a removable battery. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily helpful videos. Check the description for more info and prices. Leave a comment for assistance. Enjoy life with our amazing products. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.